Hello my dear students. Again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. I hope you understand what is meant by factors and what are the multiples. Okay. Today we will see the properties of factors and multiples. Properties of factors and multiples. So we will divide into two groups. Here I write factors. Here multiples. See, first property is 1 is a factor of every number. In factors, 1 is a factor of every number. Right? And here in multiples, every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Now see, what is meant by this? 1 is a factor of every number. Let's take an example 2. 2 1s are 2. So 1 is a factor of 2. 3 1s are 3. Again 1 is a factor of 3. 20 1s are 20. Again 20. In 1 7 20 is there. 1 20s are 20. Again 1 is a factor of 20. If you will see 2530, 1s are 2530. Again here 1 is a factor of 2530, means 1 is a factor of every number. Understand? All number, each and every number, 1 is a common factor of every number. Understand? Now see the multiple. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. हर एक नंबर है जो 1 का मल्टीपल है. Every number is a multiple of 1. 120s are 20. 150s are 50. Likewise 51s are 50. 150s are 50. Right? Means every number is a multiple of 1. सभी 1 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. अभी 13 है तो 1 13 are 30. Right? So every number is a multiple of 1. Understand? Next, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. What is meant by this? Every number is a factor of itself. Let's take example. Suppose 12. Find out the factors. 1 multiplied by 12. Then again 12 से किससे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं हम? 2. Yes. 2 multiplied by 6. 2 के बाद 3 नंबर आता है 3. In 3 7 12 is there. 3 4s are 12. Yes. In 3 7 3 4s are 12. Again 4, 4 3s are 12, then 6 2s are 12, and 12 1s are 12. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. See the 12. Means every number is a factor of itself. Understand? 12 1s are 12. 12 के टेबल में 12 है. Right? No? So this is the property of factor, that every number is a factor of itself. Understand? In another, every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Write the 2's multiple. What I said, what are the multiple? Multiples are nothing but a tables. उसके आगे भी मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओ, ऐड करते जाओ. सिंपल. 2 के टेबल में 2 है, यस. Then 2 plus 2 4. Then 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 2 14 and so on. Infinite numbers. Multiples are infinite. Infinite means which we cannot count. बहुत सारे, जितना आप लंबा खींचोगे खींचेगा. Right? And the factors are limited. This is also I will tell you afterward. So understand, every number is a multiple of itself. 2 का multiple 2. Understand? What are multiples? Multiples is a nothing but a table. 2 1s are 2. Higher 2 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Likewise, these are the multiples of 2. Means here 2 is also the multiple of 2. That's why this is the one property of multiples, that every number is a multiple of itself. And here every number is a factor of itself. Understand the difference? Okay. Now next one. Next. Every number is a factor of 0. It's very easy. Every number is a factor of 0. हर एक नंबर 0 का फैक्टर है. And multiples, 0 is a multiple of every number. 0 is a multiple of every number. Right? 0 is a factor of every number is a factor of 0, and 0 is a multiple of every number. Then fourth one is here, so important. A factor of a number is less than or equals to the number. A factor of a number is less than or equals to the number. Equal to the number. A factor of a number is less than or equals to the number. Let's take example. इसका हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. सपोज 18. 1 multiplied by 18. 2 multiplied by 9. Find out the factors. 3 multiplied by 6. 4 7 no, 5 7 no, 6 7. Yes. Again 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18 and 18 1s are 18. What are the factors of 18? 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Now see which is the highest factor? 18. 9 is less than 18, 6 is less than 18, 3 is less than 18, 2 is less than 18, 1 is less than 18. But this 18 is equals to the 18. Means a factor of a number is less than, ये छोटे हैं, less than means छोटे, or equals to the number, और equals to the, ये 18 जो लास्ट वाला है, ये और ये 18 बराबर है. Means a factor of a number is less than or equals to the number. Means जो नंबर के हमें फैक्टर्स निकालना है उसके फैक्टर्स वो नंबर से बड़े आएंगे क्या, होंगे क्या, नहीं होंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? जो नंबर है जिसके फैक्टर हमें निकालना है उससे उसका फैक्टर बड़ा नहीं हो सकता है. Either these factors are equals to the factor is equal to the number or less than to the number. ये नंबर से छोटे होंगे या उसके बराबरी का ही होगा. Understand the meaning of this? Right, now let's hear. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equals to the number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or is greater than or equals to the number. Now see the difference. Here greater than or equals to the number, or here in factors less than or equals to the number. Multiples में क्या होता है? For example 20. ये 20 नंबर है, इसके मल्टीपल्स मुझे लिखना है. क्या लिखूंगा मैं? 20 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 20 60, 60 plus 20 80, 80 plus 20 100, 100 plus 20 20, 120, again 140 and so on. Means see, what is the number? 20. 20 इसके मल्टीपल्स क्या है? Either greater than the number, ये छोड़ के सब बड़े, जितना भी आप इसको एक्सपांड करो सभी आपको इससे बड़े मिलेंगे मल्टीपल्स. बट ये जो पहला मल्टीपल है दिस इज इट्स इक्वल टू द नंबर. मींस मल्टीपल कैसे रहते हैं? आइदर द मल्टीपल्स आर इक्वल टू द नंबर और ग्रेटर देन द नंबर. ये 20 से 20 20 20 बराबर है. और बाकी देखो 40 है, 60 है, 80 है, 100 है, 120 140 ऐसे ऐसे कितना भी बड़ा, बिकॉज इट्स इनफाइनाइट. ये बाकी सब ग्रेटर है देन द 20. मींस एवरी मल्टीपल ऑफ अ नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन or equals to the number. Greater than or equals to the number. Here less than सब छोटे हैं इससे और equals to the number. This is the major difference. Understand? Factors और multiples में का. Understand? Okay. Then shall I rub this? I will write next one here. Now, if you understand these properties, then it will be easy for you to find out the factors and multiples. Understand? Now see. Last one. Every number other than 1 every number other than 1 has at least two factors. Has at least two factors, namely 1 and itself. Namely 1 and itself. Now see, very interesting. Understand what is the meaning of this? Every number other than 1 has at least एक को छोड़ के बाकी सभी नंबर को 2, 3 up to whichever that 1 को छोड़ के at least two factors, एक नंबर को छोड़ के बाकी सभी नंबर ये 1 को छोड़ के बाकी 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 30, 50, 100, 1000, लाख, करोड़ सब नंबर को टू फैक्टर्स नेमली एटलीस्ट टू फैक्टर्स रहेंगे. टू से ज्यादा भी रहेंगे बट एटलीस्ट टू फैक्टर रहेंगे. सो दैट टू फैक्टर्स आर व्हिच आर द टू फैक्टर्स एटलीस्ट 1 and the number itself. Now see the number 5. Find out the factors of 5. 5 के फैक्टर 5 कौन से टेबल में आता है बोलो. 2 के टेबल में आता है, 1 के आता है ना. 1 5 का 5. देन 2 के टेबल में आता है 2 2 का 5 और 2 3 का 5 और 2 1 का 5. नो 3 3 1 का 5. नो 3 2 का 5. 3 3 का 5. नो. देन 4 4 1 का 5 आएगा नहीं. 4 2 का 5 आएगा. नो. देन 5 5 1 का 5. Simple. This is a prime number. I will teach you in next video the types of numbers. Prime number है, even numbers, odd. What is meant by prime number? What is meant by even number? What is meant by odd number? Right? So I will teach you in next video. Right? This is a prime number. Prime number means the number which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself are called prime number. Understand? So every number or other than 1 has at least two factors. At least means कम से कम दो फैक्टर तो रहेंगे. दो से ज्यादा बहुत सारे भी हो सकते हैं बट कम से कम दो फैक्टर हर एक नंबर को रहेंगे, एक को छोड़ के. Because 1 having only one factor, 1 1 the 1 1 1 the 1. Right? So what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. See, 2. At least two factors here. 1 and the number itself. Got it? Now, the other side, we can find as many multiples. We can find as many multiples of a number as we want. See, we can find as many multiples of a number as we want. हमें जितना चाहिए टू 5, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, करोड़, जितने चाहिए उतने हमें मल्टीपल्स कोई नंबर के मिलेंगे. We can find out whichever we want, right? But factors are limited, right? That's why I told you before कि multiples are infinite. This is a sign of infinite, infinity. Means we cannot count. कितने भी जितने हम बढ़ाएंगे उतने बढ़ेंगे. Infinite. Understand? Multiples are infinite in numbers, but factors are limited in numbers. अभी देखो 5 के फैक्टर हमने निकाले थे, only 1 and 5. This is prime number. Understand? So these are the difference of factors and multiples. Also these are the properties of factors and multiples. I hope you understand. Next, learn this property. Write down in your notebook. On page number 50, it is given properties of factors and multiples. You will write in your notebook on chart. Learn it. Understand? See you in the next video. Thank you.